Hey, so I'm here again with the piano. I've put all the keys back in, and I don't know if anybody noticed, but better if you put the keys back in before you put the rack back in, because it is possible, but you have to pull up all these and then slide the keys in underneath. So it's a bit tricky, but it is done. So go back to the piano, and you can see it's all looking pretty normal again. So yeah, it's a bit of a shame about the keys, just wouldn't get any cleaner. Not sure what to do about that, but I can look that up. So the sound is different. It really is. It's got a brighter sound. So it's got a nice brightness in the top, but it's not overbearing or anything. And the bottom end just sounds like it's got a bit more life to it. So I'm quite pleased. I think I can imagine when it's nice and tuned, then it will sound pretty good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over notes like this, just to stop the horrific sound, so that it's just a bit more bearable before I do any major tuning. So there's quite a few of those notes. Well, that seems okay. Could even improve that a bit. That one's definitely getting worked on. So I'm going to grab my tuning thing and set the camera up so we can see that. Okay, so this is the more interesting part, a bit more fun, at least I think so anyway. What I'm going to do is just go through the piano and just see if I can do just some notes by ear. The ones that are awful, you know. Okay, let's have a look. I'm not even going to bother with the dampeners at the moment, because you can really, if you just test one note. Quick fix. It's also a bit nasty. So maybe start with the middle one. It's a bit nicer. And you can definitely hear a difference in the attack since I've leveled these off. You're just getting more sound more quickly. Okay, let's do something about that one. Still quite ringy, that one, but it's better. Doesn't feel right, but okay, definitely gotta fix that. Oh, it's gonna be so good to fix this one. It was weird, as if one note was sharp. Oh, maybe they're all flat. So I've taken one of those three to the octave. 2 of the 3 now. This bloody thing in the way. Not a recommended way to do this where you can't see what's going on. God, that sounds awful. I think I'll need to remove this just for the time being because it's totally in the way. Okay, back again. Just got rid of that. Lots more room now. Where was I? And all of a sudden, a pure tone. It's obviously still way off, but somehow I've tuned it flat. It seems better. Still ringy, but much better. That sounds quite nice. Pretty ringy. Just going to try the middle one, you never know. Top one. It's a bit better. It's better than the C octave. It's quite nasty. It's pretty harsh, but it's better. slightly better. I mean, it's so high and it's completely out of tune anyway, it's hardly worth doing this one, but so you can hear one of those is pretty much a semitone out. Wasn't the middle one. It's weird, it doesn't sit well on that pin. Strange shape or something. Nice.